So namaskar everyone and welcome back to another video. As you can see from my outfit and you can guess what I'm doing today. And yes, you all are right. Today I will be recreating the beautiful Hina Khan's wedding makeup look, and I will try to replicate what she has done because she was looking gorgeous on her wedding day with minimal products and a glowy base. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. For the primer, I will be using this Nykaa Prep Me Up, and I will apply it on my T-zone, and I will put up her picture here somewhere, and you can see what a beautiful glowy base she is carrying. And for that, we require a proper priming up so that the foundation that we put on will not break up. Create a good base. Next, I will be using a highlighting primer, and for that we will be using the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base, which is a highlighting primer and it brightens the skin, modifies the pores, and it is moisturizing enough and it is nourishing. So you can use this as a moisturizer also on a daily basis, or you can use it for any grand functions to achieve a glowy base. So for that we will use this. Take at least 2 pumps like this, and now we will start applying it. You can see the instant glow this provides. And now I have brought you guys a bit closer so you can see what I do with my eyes. And she had a really thick filled eyebrow, and for that I will be using this today, and this is the Parul Girls Ultimate Eyebrow Kit. Yes, that is the name of it, and this is the shade Sia, and this is the Parul Girls Signature Essential Eye and Brow Pad, with which you get eyeshadow pot like this, and here is the brow powder. You can see it is of a dark color, and with that you also receive a dual-ended eye brush which has a pointed tip. You can see a pointed tip and a spoolie at the back, and with that you also have an ultimate eye pencil which is also in the shade dark brown or Sia. It is just like this, and you can use it to outline and border your eyebrows, and also use it as a kajal or tightline or the waterline, or do anything you like with this because it has a very good staying power and it does not stick to her. As you can see in the picture, she has a very thick filled eyebrows. So for that, firstly I will go in with this eyeshadow pot, and with that same brush that is provided in the kit, we will go in with the first spoolie and brush out our eyebrow hair. And now, with dipping my brush into the eyeshadow, we will start filling in the sparse areas, just like this. And it is really a pigmented eyebrow powder, so less is more. Nowadays, I like a thing about the brides, especially the celebrities, is that they are going with a very minimum base and heavy eyes, or maybe glowy and dewy base with light eyes, matte eyes with a bold lip, and that is a signature that we have a very good makeup artist doing. Same spoolie, we are going to brush out our hairs. See the difference between the two brows? How good this one looks, how feathered out this looks. This is good for a natural look, but for a wedding function you can always go with this eyeliner. Next, we move on with the base, and for the base, for the concealer we will be doing the Maybelline Instant Age Remind Laser Multi-Use Concealer. This is, I guess, I don't know the shade, 144 Caramel, and this is the one, and we will apply it on our dark circles and pigmentation areas to hide them. Here, I have something here as well. Give a side here as well. All the pigmented areas that I needed to cover. Let's cover these little pimples also. And now with a damp sponge, this is from ASHUTOSH Beauty, I will start to blend them. And this is how quickly it blends and covers your dark circles. I will be using the Clear Mask with Red Cushion foundation in the shade 34N, which is on, and it is a beautiful oval shaped container, and it also has a mirror and this is how you peel the sticker and then use the foundation. And with that you also get a puff with it. Pick up the foundation. This is the opening area. You press on the excess here and start applying it. And this is, I guess, my perfect shade match. Now for highlighting my high points, I will be using the same Maybelline Age Remind, but this is the shade 130 medium, and we will pick up this and apply it to the high points of my face, which is the bridge of the nose, under eyes, here, and here. This is the highlighting areas of my face, and we will start to blend this again with the same sponge. And this gives a nice highlighting to your high points. But you can see the glow peaking. This is how you highlight the high points of your face. Light concealer after color correcting your dark circles and everything. And now you can see in her pictures, somewhere here I put it up, she has a loads of blush on her cheeks, and for that we will go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Bond Blush. This is Pick Me Up, which is this one, and I'll start applying it here. Oh wait, before that we need to set out our under eyes with this sugar banana powder. Pick up some and then you tap up the excess on the back of your hand and start placing the banana powder only under your eyes and the areas where you clean. And after some time we'll dust everything. So this is how my face looks like after baking. I kept the powder on for about 30 seconds or so, and then I remove it with this fluffy brush, and then we'll go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is such a beautiful rosy color. Just this much and blend it out with this brush. This can see what a beautiful glow it has provided. We are going it in the U shape because we had the blush in the same shape, and we are blending it also in the same shape. I don't know if you guys can capture it or not, but this is how the blush looks like. And after that, we will move to the highlighter. And for the highlighter, we have another favorite of mine, which is silk cushion highlighter, which is in crystal gold. So yeah, again, we will squeeze a bit of highlighter. Try to blind it with the high points of my face. Look. And now with the same brush, we will start blending the highlighter with the blush really well. Wow. And this is the beautiful glow that this highlighter with the combo of the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty wand. Now we'll move on to her eyes. As for her eyes, if I zoom in to her picture, we can see she's not nothing much. Only I can see a very champagne shimmer on her eyelids with a brown smoky thin liner and with mascara. And for that, I have a very good product with me today, which is the e.l.f. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow, which is in the shade again champagne only, and I'll apply it in the back of my hand for you all. This is how beautiful it looks. So first I'll apply this and then go in with a second shade. Wow. I guess this is enough only, but it has a bit of a pinkish hue to it, and for that, let's see what we can do. So we'll go in with the Huda Beauty Naughty palette with the color Shameless, and we'll start applying it directly on our eyelids. Wow, what a color! And you can obviously tone it down a little because and you can see a beautiful smoky effect it is giving. Just the thing that we are doing is taking the brown eyeshadow pomade and dipping our brush into it and then applying it on our lash line. And just smudging it out. And after that, we will go in with my mascara, and for that we will be using the L'Oreal Panorama mascara, and this is the one. Just this much to uplift the lashes, some on the lower lashes. As you can see, I am in my outfit. This is my Bengal dupatta, and this is the blouse. And this mask is also mine, and this set is my mom's, and I have my ring on. The last thing that is left is a new dip, and for that I am using this shade shifter Tipsy UV lip oil, which gives me a nice smooth. So yeah, this is how we go. This is Hina Khan's complete bridal look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and please comment below as to how much I'm able to create it. This is not a copy, this is a recreation of her look which I love. So yeah, tata and take care, and I'll see you here. Thank you.